Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UUUU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Very nice movement today on this one. I mean, when you stop and think about it, that just last week it was down here, and now all of a sudden the price is all the way up to that point. Any rational person would say, yeah, that's been a very nice move, but that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type movement? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $1.52. Why is $1.52 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.52. If the price were to come down to that area and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side of things, let's say the price came down here, behaved in that manner, then began to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined once more as that $1.52 mark. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, it's all about that pink line right there, the 200 period moving average. And you can see that's essentially the level where the price is just struggling. It's just kind of caught up in this, if you picture that as almost mud, just stuck up in the mud here of that 200 period. And sure, the price has been able to get up above it, but it's never been able to quite separate to the upside of it. So that'll definitely be the key dynamic to watch going forward. And that, level is right there around the $1.65 mark. But all in all, any way you look at it, very nice upwards bounce today. The week is young, still 4 days left. So let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum going forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.